you are well. Today I am going to discuss about working with the control panel. What is control panel? Control panel is a system folder using which we can make changes in the appearance and current settings of window. How we can open control panel? We can open control panel in two ways. First, click on the start button and select control panel option from the right pane. Second, double click the computer icon on the desktop and then click on open control panel button located on the toolbar. Let us see what we can do through the control panel. Here we can see 8 different settings in the control panel. First one is system and security. This is the first category in the control panel and contain all the tools that you will use to perform system administrative and security related tasks. Second, network and internet. This is the second one category in the control panel and contain all the tools that you will use to check the status of the network. Change setting, set preference for sharing files and computer configuration, internet connection and much more. Hardware and sound. This category is the third one in control panel and contain all the tools that you will use to add and remove printer and other hardware. Change system sound, configuration autoplay, manage power, update driver, etc. Fourth category is program. By this category, we can install or uninstall any application. The user account and family safety category is the fifth one in the control panel that you will use to change user account setting and password setup, parental control, manage credential, etc. Appearance and personalization. This category is the sixth one in control panel and contain all the tools that you will use to change the appearance of desktop item, apply various desktop themes and screensaver, customize the start menu or taskbar, clock language and reason. This category is the seventh one in the control panel and contain all the tools that you will use to change date time, language, numbers, currency, etc. Ease of access. This category is the eighth one in the control panel that contain all the tools that you will use to adjust your computer setting for vision, hearing and mobility, as well as configure speech recognition to control your computer with voice command. We will discuss next topic in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay with us.